Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 without having to use a Microsoft account or even an internet connection. So as you can see here, once we get up to this page here during the installation where it says, let's connect you to a network. At this point, you have to connect to a network and then you carry on moving forward, putting in your Microsoft account and such. However, there is a way around this. So what we need to do is hold down the Shift button and F10 on the keyboard for the computer. Now, if you're on a laptop and the function buttons require the function key as well, just hold down Shift, function key and F10. So in any event, it's either Shift and F10 or Shift function F10. So I'm going to do Shift function F10 on this because it is a keyboard on a laptop. So give me a second. So there we go. Now this is going to open up a command prompt. So what we need to do is type into the command prompt here next to where it says system32. Now what I'm going to do is to put a command on the screen right now, and it is this command that you have to type in. So let me just type this in. Okay, so I've typed in that command there, making sure obviously to put the backslash in. Now at this point, just hit enter on the keyboard, so enter. Now what's going to happen here is that this will close down the computer and then restart it again. So I'm just going to speed through this until I get back to that point of the Windows installation again. Okay, so once we get back to this point here, we're just going to have to just click on a few buttons first. So I'm just going to tap yes for my region. And I'm also going to tap yes here for the keyboard layout. Now I'm just going to skip this section for the extra keyboard layout. Now, it's going to take us back to this section again now, which is where we were before. However, now what we should be able to see, we have this option here that says, I don't have internet. So this is what we have just activated with that command line. So what I'm going to do now is just to tap on there. Now at this point, this is going to say here, continue with limited setup. It is not a problem. Just tap on there. Now at this point, we'll just have to hit accept. Now what we're going to have to do here is to type in a name. So I'm just going to type Dave into there, hit enter. Now at this point, you don't have to put a password in. I'm not going to bother with a password. So let me just tap on next there. Now after this point here, these are like the normal kind of like Microsoft setup sections here before we actually get into Windows. So let me just speed through this. Okay, so as we can see here, I am now into Windows 11. And as we will see here, there's a load of icons missing here. Well, the reason why that is because we are not connected to the internet. Now, at this point, if you now then go and connect to the internet, all these icons will populate and then Windows will do any kind of necessary updates and stuff. So what I'm going to do here is to just go to my Wi-Fi. Now I'm just going to blur some stuff out here, obviously, because this is personal and private information, but I'm just going to connect to this Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm now connected to the Wi-Fi, and as we can see, these icons have now populated. And of course, at this point, we can then go ahead and then start updating or doing whatever we want with this Windows 11 installation.